Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. As we close out our 20th year in this business, I'm thinking about the things that really make us different, the things that I think make us very special. And there are really 5 things that I wanted to talk about today. The first one is selection. And the mission I had when we opened the store was whatever we sold, I wanted to make sure that we had the largest and most varied selection of product in each and every category. Why? I need a library of choices so that when you come in and we have a conversation and I understand what you're really looking for, I actually have that thing in my showroom to show you. The second thing that makes us different from everybody else is our design orientation. We are committed to being on top of the latest designs, the most beautiful designs, the most exquisite designs in the most expensive wool carpetings as well as the everyday synthetic carpetings. Our third commitment is to quality. Quality not only in terms of product, because we don't have cheap products in the store, but also quality in terms of the installation service. Everything we do, we're very concerned that it's top quality. We're very proud of the reviews that we get. Fourth, expertise. I've been doing this for 42 years. My partner, Greg, has been doing this for 31 years. Everybody in the store has been doing this for a very long time. So one of us will probably have the answers to whatever problem, whatever challenge you pose to us. Lastly, number 5, and I know it's a cliche, we feel very, very deeply and strongly about service. If you're not happy, I don't sleep well at night. We're certainly not perfect, we're only human, but we're absolutely committed to making it right at any stage of the process. Selection, design, quality, expertise, and service. This is what I think we've accomplished over the last 20 years, and we're going to keep carrying those banners forward into the years to come. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.